What's going on, everybody? Welcome aboard Life Launchpad, your go-to channel for practical advice and guidance to launch your dreams into reality. Today, we're going to be talking about meditation and why you should incorporate that in something you do every day. First of all, I want to talk about the lights, changing lights. I'm going to try and change the lights every video, at least for the beginning right now. And also another thing I want to talk about the channel. This is what, my fifth video? Intro, that one. I think this is my fourth video, I believe so. One thing I saw that is recommended for new YouTubers is every time you upload a video, try to do something new, improve in a slight way. Something I started working on was my thumbnails. I started making actual thumbnails. Something I would like to get to work on soon is editing videos, doing like pop-ups, effects, and stuff like that, but that's advanced. We're gonna work on that. But without further ado, let's get into the video and why we're talking about meditation. What is meditation? How do you do it? It's, 5 W's and the H. Who, what, where, why, when, how. Anyway, start off, what is meditation? Meditation is a form, it's an activity that you do to relieve stress, clear your mind, and overall improve peace within yourself. What do you like? Why do you use, what does meditation bring to you? Meditation really teaches you how to manage with your mind, stress, different emotions, lets you clear your headspace a lot better. So it's a really beneficial tool for people that are always feeling they're under stress, people that, are need to take a break, don't see time in a day to take a step back and be like, all right, breathe. Man, that felt good right there. That was a good deep breaths. And then, so that's what you use meditation for. And then another part meditation, I guess I should have made this chronological. I guess I'm just hopping out of order. Where do you do meditation? Me personally, I either do it in my chair or on my bed, sit crisscross applesauce, hands on my knees, close my eyes, and then I just sit there for 10 to 15, maybe 20 minutes, and I try to keep all my thoughts out. The point of meditation, at least in what I've read and done, is to keep your mind empty, because you're in a daily basis, you consume so much information that realistically you cannot store all of it in your brain. I believe it's in the thousands of terabytes of information that you observe, and it is extremely healthy to just let go and try to release and not do anything, not observe, give your mind a break. And that's what I try to do with meditation. It really helps me. I used to do it early in the mornings because I had a lot of free time. I had an hour set out in every day in the morning to just read, journal, and meditate. But then I noticed, I started figuring out that it's probably the best to do meditation in the middle of the day. Sorry about that. The middle of the day, because, right when you wake up, you haven't had much going on. But towards the middle of the day, you've got stuff going on, you're worrying about stuff, you need to take a step back, a little breather. So around 12:30 to 2 o'clock, somewhere around there, 12 to 2. I don't know why I said 12:30. But you take 10 minutes, 5 minutes at minimum, sit there and let go, take some time to yourself, relax, bring yourself, it really does bring yourself to peace. I've noticed myself get a lot calmer, relax, just chill out more, and just sit there and, take in time, because time is our most valuable resource. That's the only resource that you'll never be able to get more of. It only diminishes. So, you have to take advantage of it and keep yourself healthy. There's also a lot of scientific studies that show health. It's really good for mental health, physical health. Reducing stress is such a big impact to your health. If you're always under stress, your body will fail. It overloads your mind, it overloads other parts of your body. So it's always very important to make sure to take time and relieve of that streak, essential. I just covered when. Middle of the day, I guess I cover how long. Start off, I recommend everybody starts off with 5 minutes. Anybody can take 5 minutes of their day, sit there and just relax. As you go on though, you should definitely be, increasing the time. I went every month, I would increase by 1 minute. So I went 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, and now I just do it anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes, and I just don't time it. I put a stopwatch on it to see how long I was there and just measure out day by day how much I think I needed and how much I did. And then I guess cover the what, cover the where, cover the why, when, who. Oh, who. Simple enough. It is great for anybody. Everybody can use it. Meditation is key. I know people that meditate for 30 minutes a day. Some people want to get to an hour. That's a little bit much to me, out of 24 hours, especially 8 sleeping. An hour is a lot to commit, but 30 minutes is something I would love to get to some point. But as much time as you can give up on a daily basis. It's not even giving up. It's like, what's it called? I don't know what the word is called, but dedicate. There we go. As much time as you can dedicate on a daily basis for meditation, go right ahead. I definitely recommend everybody starts doing it. If you're definitely looking to, improve your productivity, relieve your stress, it'll definitely keep you more at peace. If you always see yourself on edge, meditation is definitely a great tool to use. So I definitely recommend it. And then, honestly, there are so many more benefits that I wish I could list off, but I'm trying to keep my videos to under 10 minutes. I know videos that aren't over 10 minutes, a little hard to watch, so anything under is great. So this is, somewhere around to keep it, but just like the meditation, like if you can take 5 to 15 minutes to watch a video of these, I hope I can teach you, inspire you something important that I hope you will incorporate in your life to, for the better. Everything I can put on here, I'm trying to help and improve, show you something that you can use to improve, that I do. I personally, everything that I recommend in here is something that I do personally. So I wouldn't be giving you this information if I didn't myself. Fun fact, it's on my daily to-do list. So, I do that every day. But nonetheless, I hope you found today's episode of Life Launchpad value. Today's Life Launchpad episode. I'm gonna have to work on this, but if you want to keep learning, consider checking out another one of our videos, linked in the description, and subscribing to the channel. As always, remember to power to transfer your life lies within you. Keep learning, growing, and launching toward the extraordinary future you deserve. I botched that, but we will be working on it. I'll see you guys in the next video.